Thanks for listening to Noaa Weather Radio Station Wwf36 in Hesperia, transmitting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The current time is 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the Area Weather Outlook, issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Dry weather is expected to last through Sunday for most locations, although a few showers and thunderstorms may pop up on Saturday. Temperatures will slowly warm over the next few days, with high temperatures away from Lake Michigan reaching the mid-80s Friday and Saturday. Conditions around the area at 5 p.m. At Muskegon, it was fair. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 55, and the relative humidity 43%. The wind was northwest at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.18 inches and falling. Across the remainder of western lower Michigan, temperatures were between 76 and 82 degrees. It was fair at Grand Rapids, Holland, Kalamazoo, and Ludington. In southeast lower Michigan, it was fair, and temperatures were between 79 and 83 degrees. Across northern lower Michigan, temperatures were between 76 and 80 degrees. At Cadillac, it was cloudy. It was fair at Manistee, Traverse City, and Big Rapids. In the Upper Peninsula, Sault Ste. Marie was 81 degrees under fair skies, and in Marquette, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 77. In neighboring states, Milwaukee was 74 degrees under fair skies. In Chicago, it was fair and the temperature was 79. Once again, at 5 p.m., Muskegon was 79 degrees under fair skies. On Lake Michigan, at Big Sable Point, winds were north at 6 knots and the temperature was 74 degrees. At the Muskegon Lighthouse, winds were north at 11 knots and the temperature was 72 degrees. At the South Haven Lighthouse, winds were northwest at 6 knots and the temperature was 71 degrees. At the Southern Lake Michigan buoy, winds were north at 6 knots. Lake water temperature 72 degrees. Air temperature 69 degrees. Wave heights 1 foot. At the Northern Lake Michigan buoy, winds were south at 8 knots. Lake water temperature 69 degrees. Air temperature 69 degrees. Wave height 0 feet. Now here is your local forecast. Through early evening, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Light winds. Tonight, clear. Patchy fog overnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Light winds. Friday, sunny. Patchy fog until midday. Highs in the lower 80s. West winds around 10 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Light winds. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Light winds. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 80. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: Whitehall to Pentwater, Michigan. Through early evening, northwest winds around 10 knots. Sunny. Waves less than 1 foot. Tonight, north winds 5 to 10 knots veering east after midnight. Clear. Waves less than 1 foot. Friday, south winds around 10 knots veering west. Sunny. Waves less than 1 foot. Friday night, west winds around 10 knots. Partly cloudy. Waves less than 1 foot. Saturday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots backing northwest. Sunny. Waves less than 1 foot. Monday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Tuesday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 to 3 feet. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: Grand Haven to Whitehall, Michigan. Through early evening, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Tonight, north winds 5 to 15 knots veering east after midnight. Clear. Waves 1 foot or less. Friday, east winds 5 to 10 knots backing northwest. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Friday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Mostly clear. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Saturday night, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, north winds 5 to 10 knots backing northwest. Sunny. Waves less than 1 foot. Monday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Tuesday, west winds 10 to 20 knots. Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 to 3 feet. Thanks for listening to Noaa Weather Radio Station Wwf36 in Hesperia, transmitting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The current time is 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.